आज हामी इङ्ग्लिस भोक्याबुलरी पढ्नेछौँ। एङ्कलेट पाउजु, ब्याङ्गल चुरा, चेन सिक्री, क्राउन श्रीक्षेप वा मुकुट, इयररिङ मुद्री, इयरस्टड झुम्का, garland माला, hairpin काँटा वा क्लिप, medal तम्का पदक, necklace हार पोते वा तिलहरी, nosepin फुली, ring औँठी वा मुद्रा, clip toe ring बिच्छू, wristlet चुरा वा बाला. Let's have some practice. What is this? This is wristlet. What is this? This is anklet. What is this? This is bangle. What is this? This is chain. What is this? This is clip. What is this? This is crown. What is that? That is a garland. What is that? That is a necklace. What is that? That is a ring. What is that? That is a toe ring. What are these? These are hairpins. What are these? These are ear studs. What are those? Those are earrings. What are those? Those are hairpins. Thank you.